I'm Joanne Butler with some summer entertaining musts. Let's start with the cocktails. All season long, I stock up on these Waterloo Sparkling Waters. And today I have some of their nostalgia-inspired flavors here: ginger citrus twist, orange vanilla, summer berry, and their new limited time only tropical fruit flavor. They're all so delicious and so refreshing. And like all Waterloo flavors, these are free of sugar, calories, and sweeteners. So really a win-win, better for you option. And it's great right out of the can. Or here we made all of these yummy mocktails. You can just add some vodka, gin, rum, whatever you like, and easily turn them into a cocktail. That simple. And what's so special about these two is that they're actually crafted by their in-house flavor artists, like a fine wine. They're even used to elevate some dishes. In fact, they've partnered with Michelin-starred chef Curtis Stone to create these Waterloo-infused recipes. I mean, look at these creations. Yum. You can check out all of these refreshing flavors and more great recipes at drinkwaterloo.com. And you can find Waterloo at Target, Whole Foods, Kroger, Walmart, and Albertsons, Safeway, to name a few. Now, of course, you need a coffee creamer for your party. It's always one of those must-have things on my list. Well, Planet Oat makes some amazing ones. It's super creamy. They come in all these decadent flavors like coffee cake, French vanilla, caramel, and sweet cream. The best part, these are dairy-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, soy and nut-free, so they're great for everyone. And they make some amazing oat milks as well, an excellent source of vitamin A, D, calcium. And what's even more amazing is that you can make some fantastic things with the oat milk, the extra creamy one. It's super versatile. Here we made one of my favorites, a summer quinoa salad, which is a super easy summer crowd pleaser. You just make the quinoa, some cherry tomatoes, a little onion, whatever cheese you like. But we made this amazing homemade dressing with a 1/4 cup of the oat milk, olive oil, lemon, honey, salt, pepper. Just so creamy, so delicious, and super easy. We also made a fantastic apple crisp and a spiced oat ice cream to go with it, just using the whipped coconut cream, 1/2 cup of Planet Oat, brown sugar, vanilla. And you can find more info and a ton of great recipes on their site too at planetoat.com. And you can get Planet Oat most major retailers. So there you have it, some of my must-have summer essentials for you.